my goodness, guys. I checked on my Hoya today, and as you can see, this is what we've got. Aphids. Never had that. This is new. This is the new leaf, so I wanted to see how big it was. I said, what is all over that leaf? And yeah, so I am not an expert. I went to my Facebook plant group, and they said, look, don't use alcohol on a Hoya. I'm just going to trust this. Use the soap and water and really blast this thing. And they said, like, when you've sprayed, you know, where you think it's enough, then spray again. So I am about to tackle this problem. I think they have them probably throughout. And this nursery where I purchased this, I've had problems every time I get from them. So, ugh, I have to remind her to self, I think, as beautiful as the place is, I am going to take a break from them. Ugh, alright, let me get started. So, I'm so grossed out because I do not like bugs, but this is dish soap and, oh my god, dish soap and, oh, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Dish soap with water, that's it. So the group has been very, very helpful in saying just wipe down the leaves really good with soap and water. I'm going to do that first. You know, it's like, I don't see anything on these bigger leaves. I don't know. I don't know if they're just in the soil, how they even come out. I always hear that these bugs love new growth. Just look underneath. I literally just, oh, that's not good. I just broke off the growth point there, or the little, oh my gosh, this is just a little bit of a disaster. So I'm just giving it, like, using the rest of this soapy paper towel water. Ew, 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 ew. All right, I am now going to take my spray bottle of water and Dawn, and I'm gonna load this thing all up. So I have a spray bottle here. I put a couple of drops of Dawn in. I have filtered water, but honestly, guys, I am so grossed out. So this thing is getting loaded up with dish soap. I don't know if that's good or bad, but that is what's happening. So let's hose her off. So I have this regular spray bottle. I'm just going to actually spray it now with water, filtered water, because I kind of went really heavy on the soap and I think it needs a little rinse off. So we're going to do that right now. Hoyas don't like to be this wet for sure. So, but in cases like pests, what can you do, you know? You just have to take care of them. Okay, well, round one with the aphids. Hopefully it's a winner and hopefully it sticks. Guys, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks.